in a dark manifestation of the dreaded consequence of lax prevention practices across the country, it emerged on Wednesday that the single day COVID 19 death toll soared to an alarming condition. This grim figure is now the second highest daily death toll due to coronavirus complications since the first peak in June, with 124 deaths being the highest fatalities in a 24-hour window. But while the summer peak saw a strict lockdown, a public messaging drive to educate people about the virus, and a healthy amount of fear of COVID 19, the second wave this winter is missing any sense of urgency. Mass people gatherings as well as private indoor socializing is continue in full force. In Pakistan, people appear to be enjoying the winter season as they did before, with a spate of weddings and parties. Our politicians too appear to have pushed the COVID 19 threat to the far corners of their minds as the opposition parties continue their public meetings at the cost of their own and their supporters' health. As we cross the 9,000 death mark and daily infections exceed, this complacency is astounding. According to the Prime Minister Advisor on Health, the virus has been transmitted to parts of the country which remained unaffected during the first wave of the pandemic. More than 300 ventilators are occupied by critically ill patients across cities at the moment, and this figure is rising fast. According to the National Command and Operations Center, the current fatality rate is 2% with the age of 61, a gloomy reality which should send alarm bells ringing everywhere. Hospitals are getting fuller and healthcare workers are facing the brunt of the public collective irresponsible behavior. Difficult words: dreaded, spelling DREADED. Second, lex, LAX. Sword, SOARED. Fatalities, FATALITIES. Spate, SPATE. Complacency, COMPLACENCY.